How to activate ATM or debit card via Digibank online. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to activate your DBS Bank ATM or debit card, first and foremost open any of your preferred browser. Type in DBS credit card or debit card and tap on the first link, which is Get the Best Debit Card and MasterCard, or you could go to its official website. Next up, you have to log in with your user ID and PIN. If you have not set it up, you have to click on Get Started button to register. Next option would be to authenticate with DBS Digital Token. Once you have done so, you can open the application as well and authenticate with PIN provided to you. After that, you have to go to the sections of cards. Hover your mouse over the card section to reveal a pop-up menu. Hereby, you must see an option called as Activate Debit or ATM Cards. After that, you'll have to fill in a form which includes your name, your NRIC or passport number, the type of card you wish to activate, whether it's debit or ATM card. Then you have to verify the account number linked to the debit or ATM card, agree to the terms and conditions and click on Next. Submit the activation request, which will send a request to DBS Bank to activate your card. If eligible and verified, the bank will process your request and activate your card. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.